HMNZS Te Kaha F77 is one of 10 Anzac Class frigates and one of 2 serving in the Royal New Zealand Navy. This is a proper spear warship constructed to the German MEKO 200 design. Her primary mission is to ensure the security and prosperity of New Zealand by undertaking maritime security patrols and surveillance operations to protect their sea lines of communication or channels. During the mid-1980s, the Royal New Zealand Navy began considering short new surface combatants to the replacement of the Anzac Class frigate. Around the same time, a deterioration of New Zealand-United States relations forced the New Zealand government to improve ties with local nations. Australia was going through a similar process, and the 2 nations decided to collaborate on the acquisition in early 1987. In 1989, it was announced that Melbourne-based American would build the modified MEKO 200 design frigate. The Anzacs were modified to meet Australian and New Zealand specifications and maximize the use of locally built equipment. Te Kaha was delivered to the Ministry of Defence and commissioned into the Royal New Zealand Navy on July 22, 1997. Te Kaha is the first ship of this name to serve in the Royal New Zealand Navy. The name Te Kaha is meaning fighting prowess or strength, and the ship model is Hipronanga Kaha or service with strength. This embodies the strength of the ship and the Royal New Zealand Navy. HMNZS Te Kaha along with HMNZS Te Mana became the 2 main fighting ships of the Navy and play a vital role in protecting New Zealand, its exports, maritime resources, and those of their allies. Te Kaha was laid out at Williamtown, Victoria on September 19, 1994. The ship was assembled from 6 hull modules and 6 superstructure modules. When completed, the frigate has a 3,600 tons full load displacement. The overall length of the hull is 118 meters, with a beam of 14.8 meters and a full load draft of 4.35 meters. The ship is fitted a combined diesel or gas propulsion machinery layout, consisting of 2 controllable pitch propellers, driven by a single General Electric LM2530 gas turbine and 2 M2 diesel engines. Initially, the TB83 model, but these were replaced in 2009 with more powerful TB93. Maximum speed is 27 knots, and maximum range is over 6,000 nautical miles at 80 knots, about 50% greater than other MEKO 200 designs. The standard crew of the ship consists of 22 officers and 141 sailors. As designed, the main armament for the frigate is a 127mm Mark 45 gun, supplemented by SL Mark 41 vertical system for rim 7C spiral surface to emitters, 2 12.7mm machine guns, and 2 Mark 32 cheaper torpedo tube sets firing Mark 46 torpedoes. They were also designed for, but not with a closing weapon system. As soon as the New Zealand frigate entered service, a phalanx closing weapon system, recycled from decommissioning various Leander frigates, was fitted with the new frigate. In the stern area is a helipad and a fully serviced hangar for a ship-based helicopter. The Te Kaha initially operated with a Westland Wars helicopter, which were later replaced by Cayman SS2 Sea Sprites, then Cayman SS2G Super Sea Sprite helicopters. This helicopter can be equipped with AGM-119 Mark II Mod 7 Pancun missile. The frigate is fitted with an advanced package of surveillance radars, omnidirectional hull-mounted sonar, and electronic support systems, which interface with a state-of-the-art combat data system. Air search by Raytheon SPS-49 ANG radar, surface shot radar is Celsius Tech 9LV 453 tier, and the I-band navigation radar is the Atlas Electronic 9600 ARPA. Electronic warfare and decoding included Theos Sensor ESM, Telefunken BST 1720 Telegun 10, GNT aircraft SRBOC Mark 36 Mode 1 decoy launchers for SRBOC. Since being put into operation, Te Kaha has been actively involved in maritime security and rescue operations. In June 2017, the ship's deployment in the Western Pacific was extended to provide support to the US 7th Fleet after USS Freezer collided with the container ship ACS Crystal, killing 7 sailors and causing extensive damage to the destroyer. The US Navy awarded Te Kaha the Meritorious Units Commendation for this action. HMNZS Te Kaha is undergoing a series of upgrades were approved under the Anzac Frigate System Upgrade Program. The warship will have upgrades undertaken by Lockheed Martin Canada to its surveillance, shell defense, and combat capabilities, including a new combat management system, radars, above-water sensors, and hull-mounted sonar upgrade. An Extreme 7P Sea Sparrow missile will be replaced with MBDA's British-designed Sea Scepter vertical launch common anti-air modular missile system. The new missile can reach speeds 3 times the speed of sound and can attack multiple targets simultaneously, protecting an area of around 1,300 square kilometers over land or sea. In the near future, Te Kaha will continue to be part of New Zealand's national security system and works with other agencies to protect and advance New Zealand's national security interest. My video of HMNZS Te Kaha ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again.